I am inside my workspace, which is like my office for this project. Here, I can keep all my collections, environments, and tests organized. Let's use the same dog API we saw earlier in the DevTools. The endpoints is simple. Image/random. I will pass this URL into the Postman and set the method to get. Now, I click send and here's the response. Notice, it looks very similar to what we saw in the DevTools. JSON with two fields, message and status. Message contains the image URL, and status tells us if the call succeeded. This is the same structure we observe in DevTools, but now we build the request ourselves in Postman. We also got the status code, which is 200. That means success. To double check, I will copy the message URL, paste it into the browser, and here's the result. Random dog image returned directly from the API. Finally, I will save the request into a collection. I will call the collection Dog API project. Think of the collection as a project folder where we will keep all the requests, tests, and variables we will build later. So now we have our very first request in the Postman, saved in the collection. This is our starting point. In the next lesson, we will add tests, variables, and the workflows. And that's where the power of the Postman really starts to shine. So, here is a quick question. What's the difference between workspace and a collection in Postman? A workspace is like your office. It's a big space that holds everything: collection, environments, and the history. A collection is like a project folder inside the office. It contains specific requests, tests, and variables. In our case, the workspace is called API Automation Course, and the collection is called Dog API Project. If you want to go deeper and build real automation skills step by step, all my courses are linked in the description.